Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here once again. And for those who are new, my name is Rila Monadisa and you are definitely welcome. Please feel free to join the Glam Squad by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and of course leaving a cute comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to click the notification bell to know when your girl has uploaded another cool video. Today we will be doing eyebrows and eyelashes. Yes, a few of you have asked me to show you guys how I do my eyebrows and some asked me to show you guys how I do my eyelashes, so why not join them? So this video will be focusing on two things: eyebrows as well as eyelashes. And close and personal today. I haven't really done this in such a long time, like have all my makeup done and do my eye area after, but today let's hope all things work out. So I am a soap eyebrow girl. So this is a rooibos soap from Clicks. It's a clear soap, as you can see. It's just been used a lot. It doesn't leave out the white residue as much as white residue as the other soap would. I know other people use Starlight, but I use the rooibos soap. So what I'm gonna do is just spray a little. I literally just sprayed it in my eye. I'm just gonna spray a little on the soap. You can use water if you like. I just use my setting spray because going to the tap is just another extra activity I'm not keen on doing. And then I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows upwards like so. I'm gonna go back in a little bit. And then from there, I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with a setting powder, like a banana powder. The reason why I do this is to make sure that the powder soaks up that soap, and you will even feel them that they stiffen up. So that's what you want. And then from here, take a different spoolie from the one that you used the other soap, because I feel like it would probably still be carrying like wet soap, and you don't want that. You don't want to reapply wet soap on your set eyebrows. Then I'm gonna go in with a different brush. So I'm just gonna brush out the residue out, just like so. I'm gonna take my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. My lips look so dry. You go a little over your eyebrow line. And after drawing that line, you're just going to brush in the product. Alright, and then from here I'm just gonna fill in the spaces that are not filled, and also carve out the top of the brows just to give them the shape that I want. And fill in a lot more than I usually would. Just like so. Now I'm brushing in like a backward motion just to lay them back down.
Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside, such a fun time living for the hot life, the right vibe and the tan line.
I'm gonna go in the front with like little strokes. Usually before, I'm sure in my previous videos you saw that I'm not really getting into my eyebrows as much as I am right now. It's because I have product on my face, so yeah, that's why I even need to like go in a lot more and fill in at the front. Right, I don't do much on my eyebrows, guys, and maybe that's because I have like full eyebrows. I grew my eyebrows, so maybe that's why I don't need to fill them as much, you know. So guys, it's 2023. You don't have to like remove all of your eyebrows. You grow your eyebrows and just shape them. That's how I do them. Just let me know if you guys would like to see how I grew my eyebrows. So I think that's that, and then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is my smudge concealer. It retails for 50 bucks at Clicks, but this is not a concealer I would recommend that you buy. Rather add that extra 10 rand or that extra 20 rand and get yourself the LA girl. Okay, so as you guys know, for the OGs that have been here, you guys know that I like shaking my product before I apply it, because sometimes the oils separate. Like this concealer, it separates a lot when you blend it. This is the flat brush that I am using. I just went over it to flatten it a bit more with my wipe, but some people use like lash glue, a clear lash glue, to get the bristles to lie as flat as this. So what I like to do is draw like a straight line. Okay, I'm back. I kind of like blended the line that I drew here because I was on the phone for long and I felt like that concealer might just dry and never want to move. So okay, as you saw, I draw a straight line just to make sure that my eyebrows are on the same level. So because before, when I was still trying makeup, sometimes the other eyebrow would be higher than the other, so I'm just trying to avoid that.
Every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon. I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and. Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep a free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
Okay, I went in ahead and applied a quick wing liner and did a nude eye. So I'm just gonna apply my mascara.
Strawberry on my lips and your fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speed.
And then I'm not so sure which eyelashes to wear, guys. Okay, let me try these ones because as you can see, I haven't even tried wearing a single pair. So let me just wear them. And I'm just gonna, okay, glue wise it says Huda Beauty, but obviously it's these cheap eyelash glue that you buy from all of these shops that sell makeup. But the eyelash glue that I recommend is this Kiss lash glue. It retails, this one retails for 110 if I'm not mistaken at Clicks. You can also find it at Discam. So it's over 100 rand for a reason. It's really good. So this one is black, hence I usually just apply what's this, eyeliner. The one that I wouldn't recommend is this signature, wow, is this signature lash glue. I'm sure they were trying to mimic this, but they fail dismally. It takes so long to get your lash to like be attached to your skin. It takes super long, and it takes reapplication on top of reapplication on top of reapplication. So I wouldn't recommend this. This I only use if I want to apply like glitter on my eyes. That's the only good thing it does. Other than that, don't use it for your lashes, girl. Yeah, so as my eyelash glue is still drying, I'm gonna go in with my Lash and brow gel mascara just to set my brows.
Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free
It's super good. I love it. I'm just gonna quickly blend in the middle like that because I feel like now my eyebrows are just too close. So I'm just gonna blend in the middle just to make sure there's enough space. You know, you don't want them like yeah. So I'm gonna apply my eyelashes now. I love using these tweezers. I hope you can see. I hope I won't blur. Oh, what's this? Obstruct the camera. So I put my mirror underneath my chin and I look down and I try to place them. I first start on the outer corner. You can start with the inner corner. It doesn't matter. Whatever way you're comfortable with. And then like that, and then I'm gonna just press in. Wait, this one isn't sitting properly. And then I'm just gonna go on with my finger and press them down or press them against my natural lashes, and there you have it. Right, there you have it, guys. Your eyelashes are on. I'm gonna do the second one the same way, just so for those who didn't see, I think I applied these lashes the wrong way. I can't believe this one belongs to this eye and this one. Now I'm gonna have to start all over. Oh gosh, okay, anyway, let's do the whole thing again. Look down, put your mirror underneath your chin and look down and place them. Just like that. There you have it. Wow, they kind of look dark when they're on the eye. Ooh, okay. okay, I'm not used to such eyelashes, but yeah, this is how you apply them. I'm just gonna quickly do the other one off camera, guys, because yeah, we've wasted enough time. That is it for our eyelashes as well as eyebrows today, although they are covered by my hair right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.